Hi everyone, how are you all? Friends, conversation is an integral part of our life. We interact with many people on a daily basis. Holding a conversation in intelligent manner and in effective manner is an art, and not everyone is aware about this art. So, today we are going to discuss about some really practical, important and useful rules for a great conversation. So, if you would like to know what all these rules are, I would highly recommend you to please watch this video till the end to get the best out of it. So, let's start. Welcome to Mindyology, a platform for skills, lifestyle and career development. I'm your host and host Deepak from Team-Mindyology. So friends, like we've discussed, we are going to talk about the rules of a great conversation. So let's begin with that. So the first thing is that show the genuine interest. Yes, my friends, if we are in a conversation with somebody, we need to show the genuine interest that yes, we are also taking some interest in the other person's talks, in the other person's thing, what he or she is saying. At times it happens that we are interested only and only what we want to say. We do not want to listen or we do not want to pay attention to someone else. So many times it becomes like a monologue, that it's only we who are just saying all the things. So we should not do that. We should avoid, and we should take the genuine interest in the other person's things as well. Okay. The second thing is, please focus on the positive things. Yes, my friends, when we are into a conversation, at times it happens that there could be many things which could be very negative and not so very nice in something. So it happens usually that people tend to focus on the things which are very negative, not very pleasant, and that leads to an argument or maybe end of a conversation. So the best thing is that we should focus on the positive things. We should make this conversation is very productive, positive and cheerful. Okay, so we need to make sure about that. The third thing is that we need to converse. Yes, my friend, we need to do the conversation. We should not argue. We should not do a debate like we see on a lot of news channels nowadays, that people start arguing. People start, unnecessary kind of debate, and they're shouting, they're rattling on each other. We should not do that. The conversation should be meaningful, it should be constructive, it should be peaceful. So we must take care of that. The fourth thing is respect. Yes, my friend, we should give the respect to the other person. Many a times it happens that we're just saying our own things. We want to impose our thoughts on somebody else. We must avoid that. Like we want our voice to be heard, we need to make sure that we should also have the patience to listen to somebody else as well. We need to give them the respect which they deserve. It's very important for a great conversation. The next thing is that we need to make sure that we should make the other person feel that they are the best. We should put them in their best light. Yes, my friends. When we are doing a conversation, at times we want to pinpoint on certain things like which might show somebody in a bad light or somebody in a bad shadow. We should avoid that. We should learn how to appreciate the person's things as well. That's a very, very basic rule of a conversation when we are interacting with other persons. So we should take care of that. Then the next thing comes into the picture is, embracing the differences. Yes, my friends, we should always accept and appreciate the differences, because when we are conversing with the other person, definitely the other person is different. Their thoughts also may be different. There could be so many differences which we have, but we should always have this thing that we should positively and willingly should accept those differences, and we should agree to disagree on that. So it is very important. Then the next thing is, please true to yourself. Yes, my friends, we should always be true to ourselves and should not hesitate in asking your things which you actually want to ask from the people. So it's important to follow. The next thing is 50-50% sharing. Yes, my friends, whenever we do a conversation, like I said earlier, it should not convert into a monologue that only we who are speaking. We should give the chance to the other person also. That is why I'm mentioning it as a 50-50% sharing, that when we are speaking, the other person is listening to us. At the same time, we should also listen to the other person so that we can constructively, exchange our thoughts and feelings equally. That is very important. Then the next thing is, please ask the purposeful questions. Yes, my friends, at times we tend to asking stupid question or maybe some personal questions to the people. We should avoid that. We can probably ask that, what are you aiming at in the future, or maybe what are your future plans for, let's say, in 5 years, in 10 years, what do you want to do in your life, what do you want to achieve in your life. I'm just giving you an examples like that. You may have your own set of questions, but just try to frame the purposeful questions so that you can take out a meaningful, a purposeful outcome from that conversation. It should not become like a clueless debate or some argument. So we should make sure that. Last but not the least is give and take. Yes, my friends, the conversation has to be in a give and take thing. At times it happens that we kind of unnecessarily post something on somebody else, and we might see that yes, that somebody has said something wrong or something. Then we should keep this thing in mind, that we can give them a benefit of doubt as well. We should be that much of kind, we should be that much of generous, we should show that kind of behavior to them, that it's a give and take process. So my friends, I hope you've understood all these things and you would also apply them in your daily conversation or probably in the office as well. And I'm sure these are going to help you a lot. So if you found this video useful, meaningful, then please do share it with your friends, family and colleagues. And also subscribe to our channel if you've liked this video. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest update from us always. So friends, it's time to say bye-bye to all of you. We will meet you again, same time, same channel, Mindyology, next time. Till then, please do take very good care of yourself and do love Mindyology like this only. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.